All right, I got the hat on, but I'm going to take it off because I'm inside now. And you hear my friend. He doesn't know. He doesn't know we're recording. He doesn't know we're recording right now. So, again, one of my football-loving friends, Srini. I'm going to introduce him to you a little bit later. I tell you what, it's so cold. Guess what I'm doing? I'm going to shut this, and I'm going to get a different shot. Now, take a look at this. On this cold day here in Vermont, 1 degree when I tried to start that car, and it just wouldn't go. Well, it finally did. I was trying it remotely.
Shanti.
Yeah, look, there's Srini. There's my friend. And we got a visitor down here. Hi, Shanti. Good morning. And you came right up and said hi.
She's from Indonesia.
Oh, welcome. Yeah. Welcome to the U.S. And Vermont, particularly. We like animals where we're from.
Yeah.
So right now, Srini, why don't you tell us what we're doing?
We are making Indian chai. This is not the Starbucks chai that you chai latte. This is the authentic Indian chai.
This is a real deal.
Real
yeah.
deal.
You're gonna come to my house and eat real Italian food. I'm gonna come here and enjoy Indian cuisine. I already have once. Well, no, twice. That was a heck of a party we had, wasn't it? That football party.
And the stuff that's going to go in it.
Here we go.
This is cardamom.
Cardamom.
Yeah.
And that comes. Oh, I'm just gonna touch it so I can show people. Okay, and that is a spice.
Yeah.
Correct?
It comes from India.
Oh, I smell the Indian. Yes,
yeah.
this smell. Yeah, this is good.
And then
You buy that locally, Srini?
I got it from India.
Boy, this is the real Indian deal. This is cool.
And, we're gonna have some ginger in it.
Yeah. Well, that's one piece of fruit that root, I guess, that I really enjoy is
Remember
ginger.
the tea you made?
Yeah, was that good? Oh, look at that, scraping the real ginger.
Right.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then this is raw form of sugar from India. It's see that jaggery? It's called powdered jaggery.
Okay.
It's a raw form of sugar.
And it has it's got a deep aroma.
It's like brown sugar.
Yeah,
but
it's strong.
Even more.
Yeah, I wanted to say molasses, but I didn't think it was quite that bitter. But it was. Yeah, it's powerful. It smells powerful.
Yeah.
And so you use a couple teaspoons of that.
Yeah.
All right.
Just to make it, because I don't normally put sugar in it, but for you, you may want sugar. And this is from a original tea from South India.
Yeah. All right, good. I got it there. Yep.
And we went to this plantation and bought the tea. So,
Oh, you did.
yeah.
Hey, you're gonna know this. And how long does tea stay fresh? If you provide the
Maybe 2 years at the most.
2 years. Okay. All right. That's good to know.
And
And that's how they market it?
This is loose tea, so this
Okay.
is like good loose tea.
Yes.
And
And you use what? Whole milk?
just 2%.
2%, okay.
I dilute it.
Yep.
you know.
I saw you put it in the sink. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's just by touch. I mean,
Yeah.
you've made this 1,000 times. My guess is.
Yeah, I don't
so it's
measure stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
I just
right.
like eyeball stuff.
Yeah, no, I get that.
So-
I'm like that in my house too. I experiment. Sometimes people enjoy that. Sometimes
Yeah.
people don't. And I understand it.
People are used to the same thing, right?
Yes.
So this will take like a few minutes.
Okay, well then I'll just stop this. We'll continue our conversation and we'll let you know how it tastes. And I am sure it's going to be delicious. Yeah, I'm boiling water, and I'm finding we use gas now in all of our adult lives.
Yeah.
We've used electric. We've had glass top stoves and all that stuff. And then when we, as my wife was designing the first go round, we could make changes internally to the place.
Yeah.
You know, we upgraded the floors, we upgraded the counters, we upgraded a couple of things. We had the house plumbed for gas.
Okay.
It's only the last year and a half we've been using gas, and it's just great. I love it.
I've always used gas.
Have you?
And
Yeah.
I hated electric. So.
Yeah, it's just I can shut it off, it stops boiling. You know, so it just seems to work well, and everybody's using it well. And
Yeah. So the reason why we are boiling this versus just dipping a tea bag is, you know, the cardamom and ginger needs a bit of steeping to get the flavors in.
right.
And this is like it foams over and then it just kind of settles down.
Sure.
That's when it's done. So.
Okay, good. That's easy to know. And I do know that you strain. I see. Yeah. Okay. I'll just take a quick peek at that. because that's the sediment of the product, like the ginger and the
Yeah.
cardamom and
The tea, yeah.
the tea. Yeah.
I'll tell you what. From this trip, I'll get you some really good tea.
Okay, I'd love that.
Yeah.
I would love that. I'm gonna love this.
All right.
All right, my
here.
friend. I'll tell you what. We'll do that. We'll just clink the glass. How will you do that?
Chai.
We'll go
Indian
sit
chai.
down and enjoy.